Friends, today we are doing from 11th class. This is a poem, Childhood, written by Marcus Nathan. As the title shows, this poem is related to childhood. And the poet expressed very beautifully his ideas about childhood. His childhood is lost. And in this poem, especially in the first stanza, he discussed about rationalism. Rationalism means tarkvad, saying something on the basis of reason and knowledge, not on the basis of religion. In the second stanza, he talked about hypocrisy. Hypocrisy means ढोंग, जो लोग अडल्ट लोग वयस्क लोग करते हैं, होते कुछ हैं, कहते कुछ हैं, करते कुछ हैं. And in the third stanza, he talked about individuality, he talked about himself, and in the fourth stanza, he talked about the place and his guesswork as where did he lose his childhood. In the first stanza, you can see he said that when did my childhood go? In the second stanza, third stanza, he said the same thing. When did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? So you should remember this line. When did my childhood go? After that, you should learn and you should write while writing the summary or any question answer of this poem. When did my childhood go? After that, you should write, was it the day when I, and add, ceased to be 11. Ceased means stopped, to stop. क्या जब मैं 11 साल का नहीं रहा, क्या उस दिन मेरा बचपन बीत गया था? Then again the same thing, write down, was it the day when I realized that hell and heaven couldn't be found in the books of geography, so they couldn't be. So, hell and heaven couldn't be found in the real world. And in the second stanza, write again the same line, was it the day when I realized that the thoughts and actions of adults were dissimilar. Thoughts and actions of adults were not similar in any way. They talked of love, they preached of love, but didn't act so lovingly. प्यार की बातें करते हैं, प्यार का उपदेश देते हैं, पर उतने प्यार से सही से वो व्यवहार नहीं करते हैं. And in the third stanza, write up down the same line, was it the day when I realized that my mind was only mine. My mind was only mine. I could produce thoughts in my mind which couldn't be produced in the minds of other people. I could produce thoughts in my mind which couldn't be produced in the minds of other people. अपने दिमाग में मैं वो विचार, वो सोच पैदा कर सकता हूं जो दूसरे लोगों के दिमाग में पैदा नहीं किए जा सकते. At last, he admitted the fact that he had lost his childhood. Then he was interested to learn that where his childhood had gone. So he answered very beautifully and said, I lost my childhood and it had gone to some forgotten place. किसी भूली बिसरी जगह पे ये मेरा बचपन चला गया है. And now it's hidden in an infant's face. अब ये जाके, जैसे मैं बच्चा था, मेरा चाइल्डहुड चला गया है, उसी टाइप से किसी और बच्चे, किसी और शिशु के चेहरे में मासूमियत के रूप में मेरा बचपन जाके छुप गया है. So students, this is the summary. You should remember only two word meanings. Ceased means to stop and realized means to realize, किसी चीज़ का एहसास होना. ये वर्ड मीनिंग्स आप लर्न करेंगे, ये लाइन आप याद रखेंगे. When did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? After that, write down, was it the day when I realized that, and add these lines after that. And in the last stanza, you should write that I lost my childhood and now it had gone to some forgotten place and can be seen in an infant's face. So this is the summary of this poem. आई होप कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, काफ़ी इजी है, आपको समझ में आया होगा. एंड वी ऑल्सो एश्योर यू दैट notes of this poem we are going to provide you through PPT in our next video. Fine, thank you.